everyone, and welcome to my channel. Smile, there's wine. Emily here. Hope everyone's doing fabulous out there. It has been a bit. Cheers to you. Cheers to me. I have a Stitch Fix to open up with you all today. Not sure what I'm needing, but I do have a fabulous stylist who nails it every time. So we shall see if I'm in trouble, if it hit the mark, if it didn't. I don't know. Either way, I'm excited. I'm excited to be making a video with you guys. So we're going to jump on into this in 1 minute. I did want to quickly share with you guys about a company that has reached out to me. And it is called Self-Love Club. Super cool. I will put the timestamp below if you don't want to hear about this. I totally get it. You might just be here to see my Stitch Fix unboxing. Totally get that. But check out this cute tee. All set up so you can all check this out. This is from Self-Love Club. It says, "She speaks and mountains moves." How cool is that? I would love to tell you a little bit more about this company because I truly feel that their message is awesome. I freaking love graphic tees, like so easy and breezy to throw on. I think they're all the rage right now, and I love anything that's going to empower women. And I think the two women that have started this company, their stories are amazing and really cool to hear about. So I would love to give you guys some information on that. Feel free to hang in there for that if you'd like. Otherwise, I'll see you over on the flip side with the Stitch Fix unboxing. So pour yourself a glass of wine and let's jump into it. Okay guys, as I mentioned before, if you love graphic tees and you love subscriptions, this may just be the perfect subscription for you. This is a woman-owned business started by two fabulous ladies who wanted to get together and put amazing empowerment messages on t-shirts for us ladies to wear every day. Some things they offer is a 3, 6, 9, or 12-month subscription. It comes out to around $23 per month, and your shipping is included with that. It is custom designed t-shirts with self-love challenges included. Anytime you need to skip a month, you can do so. You can also change sizes. Check out this October fall tee that they are offering. I absolutely love it. I made sure to order it, and I will be featuring it in a video very soon. If you would love to support this amazing woman-owned empowerment business and receive some adorable graphic tees, just head over to selfloveclubsub.com and you can find all their information there, as well as you can find them on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, ooh, we have a box with a bundle. Seems very dark. What is this? Ooh, it's a lot of black. Looks like a little dark green action happening here. All right, and some jeans, of course. So we have our return mailer, and we have pricing. I don't look at that till the end, so we'll go over pricing at the end. Let's see what Nicole has to say.
Hi, Miss Emily. Happiest Fix Day to round out September. Have you enjoyed any fall activities yet? So far, I found myself getting way too many pumpkin lattes and anxiously waiting for cooler weather. It's super warm here on the East Coast, so I definitely feel your pain. I'm so sorry that the previous fix wasn't quite a winner. However, it was nice to hear that you really enjoyed all of the styles. I'll be sure to keep a lookout for a pair of booties with a smaller heel. But for now, let's dive into today's box of goodies. These mom jeans that you picked for the preview are super cute and on trend for the season. What do you think about pairing them with your cute camis from July's fix? I also came across the knit blazer and thought it would be a great price point. So I thought it would be nice to pair with the blouse and pants. Enjoy, Nicole.
So it sounds like she gave me some outfits, or at least a outfit. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it is a lot of black, which I'm fine with. I can get behind some black. Okay, this first top is by Fortune Ivy. It's just black, but it has like, you know, the two different kinds of mixed materials. Kind of in the front it's like a chiffon-y type of material, and in the back it's like more of a cottony knit. I've had some of these before. This is cute. It has like the little cutout at the neck. You can see? Fun. All right, cute and basic. This is by Fortune Ivy, so we'll check that out. This I think is the black blazer, which unfortunately I already have a really great black blazer, but I can try on another one. This is by Skies Are Blue. Cute little cuff. The cuff is more like gray, and we'll see what that looks like on, if it's more fitted or if it's like longer. It does have a very interesting material going on with it. It's kind of like ribbed almost, so a little bit different there. Okay, so these are some work pants, which I need. This is by Tribal. This beautiful green, but very fall-like, and could transition well into the wintry Christmas months. We will see how the crop on this is. Very particular about what it looks like on the ankle. I know, I'm weird about that. I have like high water trauma from when kids would make fun of me in like junior high and high school because I was tall and like I wore high waters. The funny thing now is like high waters are in, right? Everything's like cropped and short. But for me, like the ankle length, like I'm fine with something cropped, but if it's not perfect, like I get all weirded out. So I don't know. It's my own trauma. I'll have to seek therapy or something for it. But it has this really cute little cutout right there. So we will see how this fits. These cute green pants by Tribal, but I really am looking for some more like work pants that are different, just jeans. I love me some jeans, don't get me wrong, but I have a lot of jeans. Wow, this is like a lot of bottoms in this box. This is cute. This is just like a little skirt. This is by Skies Are Blue. Are there little things jumping around me? I have to show you guys something. This is one of my new babies. We have 2 new kittens. Hi. Hi. Okay, I'll talk about you later. Anyways, let's go back into this skirt. Basic black, kind of like pencil skirt, has these little scallops at the bottom, little pockets. Cute. Not sure if it's needed, but could work very well with black tights if you're trying to dress it up for winter. So we will try that on as well. My legs are real white right now. You might hear my daughter screaming downstairs. She's having a little bit, she's like preteen. Oh my gosh, she's having a little bit of a moment right now. She's trying to do something on her computer and like research stuff, and I'm not really willing to help her because I feel like she's kind of getting to the age where she like has to figure it out on her own. Oh, here she comes. I'll be right back. Okay, well we kind of figured that out. Okay, now on to some jeans by Studio Blue. I saw these in the preview and I thought they were super cute, very distressed, light wash. Looks kind of like a straight leg. It also looks kind of skinny down here. So we'll have to see how these fit when I get them on. They are a size 28. So we shall see. I don't know, overall I'm not like super in love with everything. There's a lot of bottoms. There's 3 bottoms, only 1 top, and then a jacket. Very dark in color. We shall see. All right, let's jump into the try. Okay, so here I am with these Stitch Fix jeans. They're super duper cute, very high waisted, but I did want to show off this adorable shirt. This is the shirt by Self Love Club. How sweet is this? She speaks and mountains move. And if you look very, very closely, there's like a little impression of a person down there. And she is speaking and the mountains are moving. I don't know, I love this and I feel like I can wear this as a teacher to school and it's very powerful, especially for those young little ladies out there. So I think this super cute tee. It fits very nicely. Let me go ahead and pull it out and show you the length. Has a nice good length to it, comfortable around the arms, just like a good quality tee, and I love this thing. I love the distressing factor. I think they are really cute. I really actually like the high-waisted fact of it. It kind of sucks everything in, pulls everything in. The distressing is really fun. It has a really good length to it. You guys know how I am about the length of my jeans. Let's pull it down real quick so you guys can see. Like, that is great. I think these jeans are super cute. I kind of want to take a look at the jeans I have to see if I have jeans with distressing like this, but I do really like the distressing. It's kind of like fun and modern and hip and chill. Yeah, so I think these are a lot of fun. Okay, here I am with this next little combination. There's a piece in here that I'm loving, super excited about. But let's start from the top and we'll work our way down. So this is this little blazer by Skyzer Blue. It has pockets. They are kind of more like the little side pockets. There's a little stitch there. I think it's cute. I just have a little bit of an issue with a blazer like this. I know they add this for the detail, but I would prefer to roll my own sleeves. Like this is stitched in, just because it's like when it's colder, you want to be able to pull it down, and when it's warmer, you want to be able to pull it up. So the fact that it's already stitched in for me, I'm not really a fan of that. Nothing wrong with this. Everyone should have a good blazer. I think they're really on trend right now. Like we're replacing our cardigans more with like this blazer look, even with like a pair of distressed jeans, super fun. But I'm gonna pass on that one just because it's, you know, not what I'm looking for. I already have something similar. This shirt's super cute. Again, if you watch me, you know I'm really like neck, like, and just like, this isn't that bad and it's cute, right? Like you wear a cute little necklace and show it off, but it's kind of already driving me nuts. So I don't know. I don't like anything like too tight in this area. So the sleeves are super cute. It's just like a great black basic t-shirt that, not t-shirt, more of like blousey kind of shirt, you know, that could be totally dressed up or dressed down and a lot of fun. And I think if you had like a super cute little pendant diamond or something that you'd want to show off with this, I think that would be awesome. I don't have anything really bad to say about the shirt besides my own little weird factor of the neck issue. I already have so many similar black shirts. I really do appreciate though just the silhouette and the way it sits, and it's just very comfortable. Great for work again, but I will most likely pass on this. Just not something I need at this point. Let's move on. Let's move past the negative. And oh my gosh, you guys, I put these pants on and I was like in love instantly. So I'm gonna zoom down, we'll take a better look. Okay, so I loved the color of these instantly when I pulled them out, but to put them on, it's like ridiculously comfortable. These I could live in. They are so soft. They're so comfortable. They're very, very cute. Like, hopefully you can see like the little bottom little cutout. I think that is so fun. These are great work pants. They're a pull on, no pockets. I really think I might keep these depending on price point. They're just very comfortable. And again, I'm looking for more bottoms that are not just jeans. Okay, I'm kind of eating my words again because I put this skirt on and kind of fell in love with it. So, first of all, it's the perfect length for a pencil skirt. It's appropriate enough. I can work in it as a teacher. It's great. I like the scallop. It's super cute as detail, and there's even scallop. Not sure if you'll be able to see it, but there's even scallop on the pocket, which is so cute. And these pockets are like perfect. It is just a pull-on skirt, but it's super duper comfortable. Like, I mean, I don't even know if I have a black skirt like this, but this is really good. I didn't even know I needed a black skirt like this. Hi, we wanted to get to our quick debut of our two new little Kiki babies. Woo! They're sisters. Do they look like twins? This is Liv, and this is Maddie. If you ever watched the Disney Channel show Liv and Maddie, that's my daughter, one of my daughter's favorite shows. So we thought since they were sisters and they looked so much alike, we would name them Liv and Maddie, and they have been so sweet. Okay, so as you can see, little cats might be running around the background, or children, we never really know. Okay, let's talk about pricing here real quick. We have the Skies Are Blue Asa knit blazer in black, size medium, $68. I'm going to pass on that. I have something very similar. Studio Blue Toby high rise. They were definitely high rise. Mom straight ankle in indigo, size 6, $64. And not a bad price. I actually really like those jeans. I just need to kind of peruse my closet and see what else I have that's all distressed like that, practically. Fortune Ivy Margot keyhole, a detailed top in black, size medium, $40. Cute, but I will be passing on that. Skies Are Blue Bernice Scallop Hem Skirt in black, size medium, $48. I think that that's probably an okay price. I almost feel like that skirt could last me forever. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't know, like the scallops are the only detail part that I like now, but how will they transition later? But the fit of it was really good. So that's a maybe. And then the Tribal Fia Mid-Rise Curved Hem Pant in dark green, size 6, $58. I loved those pants. Those were so comfortable, so cute. I think I just need to make sure like I have outfits that I can work with them, which I should, because I have a lot of clothes, so hopefully. Anyways, Nicole did an amazing job at keeping everything around $278. If I kept everything, it would take off about $70, leaving the box at about $208. I'm not going to get all 5 pieces, so I'm going to have to pick and choose. And friends, remember, if you are interested in supporting a female-owned company and you love graphic tees and love empowering women and getting something fun in the mail that's easy breezy and beautiful to put on, definitely check out Self Love Club. I think they're great. And without anything else to say, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.